Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Balfour is stuck at point 83 in the short run, but where does it go long term? Let's solve this macroeconomics puzzle together right now. Point A3 sits to the left of the vertical long-run aggregate supply curve, which means the economy is currently experiencing a recessionary gap with high unemployment and low total output. Without policy changes, nominal wages will eventually fall because of the high unemployment. This decrease in production costs shifts the short-run aggregate supply curve downward and to the right side. The economy slides down the AD1 curve until it hits the long-run equilibrium at point A5. That makes option E our final winner today. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush by watching signs and always trust the given economic rules.